everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing a huge Nykaa haul. As you guys know, the Pink Friday sale ended very recently and I went a little bit crazy. I got a lot of stuff at really good deals. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys lots of hair care, lots of skincare. We have some makeup and then some miscellaneous stuff. So yeah, if you're interested in knowing what I got from this year's Pink Friday sale, then keep on watching. I think let's start with hair care. By the way, before I start showing you guys all the products, I do want to say that I bought everything with my own money. This is not a sponsored video. I spent my own money. So yeah, let's get started with the first product, which is a hair straightener. So I have been using my mom's hair straightener since the time I've started using a hair straightener, and I've been using that same hair straightener since the last 10 years and it still works perfectly fine. But the thing is that my mom and I both share the same hair straightener, so I really needed to get one for myself to keep it here at the studio, because before this I would always ask Adhya for her hair straightener and I would keep borrowing it, and I was like, it's high time for me to invest in a hair straightener for myself. So I got this Phillips hair straightener. It's called the Iconic hair straightener. I've used it quite a few times and I really like it. I've heard really good things about this hair straightener and the reviews also on the app were really good, and it is really good. It is a little bit more expensive as compared to the other hair straighteners, but when it comes to electronics, I don't mind spending like 1,000 or 2,000 rupees extra, because I know this will last you for years. If it's good quality, it really will last you for years. And another thing, I want to start learning how to curl my hair with a straightener. I know a lot of people know how to curl their hair with a straightener, which I think is so cool. So I definitely am gonna learn that using this straightener. Next, I got a hair oil. This is the Wilwa's hair growth oil. Now this is supposed to reverse balding, promote healthy hair growth. So I've used it again quite a few times and I do really like it. Like when you apply it, it smells very nice. It's very minty and very fresh, and when you apply it on your scalp has like this cooling sensation. It's very nice. I do like it. I can't comment on the hair growth and reverse balding claims that they've made, but as a hair oil I do quite like it. I got some dry shampoo. I know I've said in the past that I'm gonna stop using dry shampoo, but I don't think that's possible, especially because I've colored my hair and also my hair is so long. I have to use dry shampoo because I can't keep washing it. So I always use the Batiste dry shampoo. So the first one that I have right here is called the Heavenly Volume Dry Shampoo. So this is supposed to help you with volume as well, other than of course just making your hair less greasy. And then we have this small travel size version, which is in their original scent, which is the Clean and Classic. It does smell very clean and fresh. So I get a small one to keep in my purse. I know we don't really go anywhere, we don't travel, but I ran out of my mini that I keep in my purse, so I just stocked up. In case you're looking for dry shampoos, always go for the Batiste ones. If you have dark hair like me, like dark roots, go for the brown variant, because these will leave like a white cast and you have to like really massage it in. So if you don't want that hassle, go for the brown variant. I'll link that one also for you guys. Another restock is this L'Oreal Paris's Magic Retouch, and I got the shade dark brown. So basically it's an instant root concealer spray. So for example, if you have white hair or gray hair, you can just spray it and it conceals it temporarily. I don't use it for white or gray hair. Personally, I have some like bald spots, which you can like really tell when I tie ponytails or I do like hairdos where my hairline is seen. So I just use this to fill in my hairline. Yeah, it just makes me feel less like conscious about my hairline. So this is what I use. I swear by this product. It's really good. This is a very random product and it's a new product. I've never tried it before. It's from Forest Essentials and it's called the Hair Thickening Spray. I did not really understand what they meant by like a hair thickening spray. I have used it quite a few times. Does it make my hair thicker? No, but it does. Does it make my hair thicker? No, but it does make my hair smell very nice. So I use it kind of like a hair perfume almost, because it does have like really nice natural ingredients. So I don't feel guilty about spraying this in my hair. So basically this is supposed to help you with volume and also shine. Like it's supposed to make your hair super glossy and shiny. It does. I mean, it does make your hair a little bit shiny, but more than that, I really like the fragrance of it and it makes my hair smell really nice. I also picked up a hair mask. This is the Mama Earth's Onion hair mask. It's one of my favorite hair masks. I ran out of the hair mask that I was using, the Wow's hair mask, so I needed a backup, so I got this one. And the last hair product that I got was hair extensions. So I did not even know that Nykaa sold hair extensions on their website, and I saw this fun red color. A lot of you guys were asking me about my red hair in the intro. I was wearing these extensions, so upar se they are black and then it fades out to a bright red. As you can tell, my red has completely faded away. I do have very little red left in my hair, so especially when I'm doing hairdos, I can use this and it just adds that beautiful red in without the commitment of actually like coloring my hair. This, by the way, comes in a bunch of different colors. I'm definitely going to pick up a purple as well. I also picked up 2 perfumes. I was technically on a no buy when it comes to perfumes, but perfumes were on such good, like the deals were great. So I had to pick up a few. The first one that I got was this Carolina Herrera's Good Girl perfume. I think I got the smallest bottle because I did not want to commit to like the full size. I've never smelt it in person, so I was like, I need to try it out, and it's damn good. Like, it smells like luxury in a bottle, and even the packaging that it comes in, the box is not like a regular cardboard box. It's a suede finish wala box. It's very luxurious, and I personally really like the scent. It is a little bit more mature. Like, it's not like a sweet fruity smell. It's very mature. It's a very nighttime perfume. I love it. It smells expensive. And the second one that I got is for me to wear on a daily basis. This is the Plums Body Loving Body Mist in Vanilla Vibes. So this is my second bottle. I've been wearing this perfume for 1 or 2 months every single day, and every time I wear it, I do get compliments on it. I've been complimented saying that I smell like a waffle or a cupcake, but in a good way, not like a sugary and like a childish wala perfume nahi hai. It is a sweet scent, that is for sure, but it's very like vanilla-y, and it's a little bit more mature vanilla scent. So if you're into vanilla, I would highly recommend this. It's very cost effective also. It's not very expensive. It's for 525 rupees, so not bad. The reason why I got the second bottle is because the first one I gave it to my Masi. When she smelled this perfume on me, she really liked it, so I gave her my old wala bottle and I got this one for me. So I've been really into under eye patches, even though I don't really have under eye like circles or puffiness, anything on those lines, but I really like the feeling of like wearing an under eye pad or mask, whatever. It's bougie. I like it. So I picked up quite a few. I picked up a few of these Garniers Hydra Bomb Eye Serum masks. Haven't tried these out yet, but they had good reviews, so I got 3. It came in a pack of 3. Then I also got these gold eye masks. Looks very fancy. How much were they for? These were for 200 rupees, so definitely these are a little bit more expensive, especially because you use it once and then you throw it away. So definitely very expensive. I'm going to save these for some sort of special occasion. And then the last one that I got are from Panda's Dream Eye Patch. Okay, they're from Moly. So Tony Moly makes really good like sheet masks, so I have a feeling this one's going to be good as well. Next, I picked up this combo. This is called the Regimes of Nature Charcoal Secrets wala combo. So it comes with the face wash and the face mask. You guys know these are my absolute favorite products, and I was running low. Mera face mask to pura hi khatam ho gaya tha, and actually ye bhi pura khatam ho gaya tha. So I thought I should buy both of them in a combo because I would save some money. So I got the C3 face mask and the charcoal face wash. I also picked up a lip balm. This is from Forest Essentials, and it's their sugared rose petal organic beeswax lip balm. This product is so fancy. Like the way it opens like a compact, but like a mini compact, and it also has a magnifying mirror inside. How cool. It's really cute, and it's a nice lip balm. It straight up smells like roses, so if you're not into that scent, maybe skip. Isme actually काफी अलग-अलग variants आते हैं other than rose, so maybe you could get that, but the packaging I'm a fan of. It's too cute. I also picked up an eyelash serum. This is from Saint Botanica. This again had really good reviews, but why is it in a pump is what I'm wondering. I wish it was in like a spoolie, like a mascara form. That would have been easier. Isme I will have to take like the serum on my fingers and then apply it, but theek hai, I need to still try it out, and then I'll come back with you guys with a review. Okay, so we have some makeup, not too much. I did not pick up too much makeup. I like other things more. Like I like applying makeup, but I like to just use the same 4-5 products over and over again. So this time I tried to to like venture out and get some new products. So I picked up 2 foundations. The first one is from NYX. It's called their Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. This product a lot of people really like I've heard really good things about this product, so I got this. Haven't tried it, so can't really say much. Then I also got the Nykaa Skin Shield foundation. This again had really good reviews and I've used it also. It's very nice, very good for like a daily basis. Like it's a very thin and light foundation, but at the same time it will make your skin very even. So yeah, these are the 2 foundations that I picked up. Oh no, I also picked up one more foundation. So this is the Sugar Stick foundation. Damn cool packaging. So there's like stick on one side and then brush on the other. Very travel friendly. Like you could just take this and go for a trip. Like you don't need to carry a sponge and a brush and all of that. I've actually used this foundation in the past also. I quite like it. I also picked up this tray. So basically I tend to mix 2-3 foundations. I never use just one foundation because I don't know, I just like to mix foundation. That's just a thing that I like to do. And I usually do it on the back of my hand and then I get it everywhere. Like I'm so clumsy and so messy. I get it on my clothes. I'll get it all over my body. So I thought I should invest in a tray wherein I can mix it and use it. It's very like professional, yeah. But it was a necessity at this point. Also got a concealer. This is my favorite, Maybelline's Age Rewind Eraser Concealer. If you have dark circles, you should definitely try this one out. It's so pigmented and just so high in coverage. Damn good concealer. I've gone through so many of these concealers. I think this is one product that I run out of the most because काफी कम भी product आता है actually, but I use a lot of concealer. So yeah. Then I also got a powder because I was running out of my powder. Clearly I'm like running out of everything at this point, so I decided to try a new powder. This is the LA Girls Pro Face High Definition Matte Pressed Powder. I really like the LA Girls concealer, so I just figured their powder will also be good. It is actually pretty good and I use it for like a daily basis. Like when I'm doing a light makeup, light face, tabhi I'll use this. Got a blush because I was like tired of using my same 1 or 2 blushes that I use over and over again. So I got this from Sugar and this is in the shade Peach Peak. It's a pretty shade. Like if you have medium to dark skin like me, it's gonna look really pretty. Actually, if you're fair also, this will look good. For the most part, if you have like lighter skin, most blush shades tend to look pretty on you. It's a little bit tricky when you have like medium to dark skin tone. Like you need to pick your blush shades properly, and I think this is a pretty one. Let's move on to some miscellaneous products. So I got my sticky bra from Nykaa. This is fab. Like if you've never tried it before, you have to try these. I got like 3 of these because they were on a sale, so I was like, I need to stock up on them. Basically, it has glue on it, so you can stick it and then you can wear this under backless tops, you can wear it under weird cut wale tops, you can wear this under literally anything. I got some stuff from Bath and Body Works, some as in 4 candles. There was like a 2 pay 2 free offer running, so I made the most of it and I got a bunch of candles. So the first one that I got is this Twisted Peppermint candle, which is my new obsession. If you've ever had Baskin & Robbins ka mint milk chocolate ice cream, which is my favorite ice cream by the way, this is what it smells like. It smells so good. If you like peppermint and if you like minty sweet fragrances, this is fab. This is what my house smells like lately. I burn it almost every day. And this is what I want my house to smell like, especially because it's like Christmas and it's festive, it's nice. I also got a very festive candle. This is called the Perfect Christmas. So this is a very spicy candle. Like I can definitely smell cardamom and pumpkin and just all of those spices. If you like spicy candles, you will like this. This is definitely like a very nighttime candle. I wouldn't necessarily burn it during the day. It's too heavy for the day. Next, I got this candle which is called Evergreen. I honestly picked it up just for the packaging. It smells alright. Like it smells very earthy and smells like leaves almost. I mean, true to its name, it does say that it's called Evergreen. It is nice, it's not bad, but the thing is that a lot of times you need to burn the candles to be able to figure out its true scent. Like you can't just smell it here and make a judgment for yourself. You have to burn it and let it like simmer almost. And the last candle that I got is called Black Cherry Merlot. Yeah, it smells like straight up cherry. I personally really like this scent. We're coming towards the end of the video. I know this was a long and big haul. I picked up some eyebrow razors because you have to pick up eyebrow razors every time you shop from Nykaa, because I mean I use eyebrow razors every single day. So got a few, and then I also stocked up on my favorite Miss Claire nail glue. Recently I ran out of them and it was sold out everywhere. So I was so paranoid, so I got 2 of those. In case you didn't know, I use press-on nails. So this is what I use. This is the glue that I use to press my nails on, or rather stick my nails on. And yeah, that's it for my Nykaa haul. It was quite a huge, lengthy Nykaa haul. I'm gonna make sure to link everything that I got in the description box below. I have noticed a lot of the products are still on a sale. So in case you want to buy something, it's gonna be linked down below. So for day 3, it is going to be a YouTube-based giveaway. So in order to win, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video with 3 of your friends, and comment down below. You can literally comment anything. That's it for today's video. I'll see you in my tomorrow's video. Bye.